Hey, what's good, homies? This is Orange Wolf 7091AJ, and welcome back to a brand new Animal Jam video. Alright, so we got some big updates to do, and it's gonna be really fun. It's just gonna be big. No, it's gonna be epic. What's this? Oh. Achoo! This guy's username is like, Achoo! Like that. But no, that I'm gonna have to decline that. But we got some big updates. So let's just go ahead and get started into it. So the first update is a new land. After the events of the river's heart, the alphas have I can't pronounce that word. Anonymously. Sorry, I cannot pronounce that word. I think it's anonymously decided to return to ancient Hearthstone to its land of origin, Balush. Alright, tell me why that word sounds like a Portuguese word. Balush. These forgotten wetlands are located in the northwest portion of the world map, and the Alphas have now deemed this new land safe for everyone to explore. Even now, Balush still holds many secrets and mysteries, which will hopefully come to light soon. You gotta be kidding, right? No way. There's no way there's gonna be a new land. There's gotta be no way there's gonna be a new land. No way. No. No way. Balush. To get to Balush and its brand new den item shop, you can either click on it in the top left corner of the world map, or take new pathways from Apondale and Mount Shavir. A brand new land also means a brand new journey book. Keep your eyes peeled for Balush's unique wildlife and click on all of them to unlock an exclusive item. That's cool, man. I want something like that. Coming soon! We have heard rumors that polar Arctic foxes might soon be coming their way to Jamaa. Thought to be only a myth, these rare animals are rumored to have beautiful fractal frost patterns on their fur and a trail of snowflakes that follows them as they walk. What do you think, Jammers? Are you excited to become one of these wonderful winter items? Oh my god. I cannot read today! Animals! Jesus! Wait, so you mean like the snowflake Arctic wolf, which I actually used this Arctic wolf for the Christmas time, but like the snowflake Arctic wolf, like where it like leaves snowflakes behind, where you go like that. Like, do they mean like that, but like with, oh my god, this thing won't move, but like with stuff like that. Okay, now I want to show you one of my biggest update that I've been planning for today. It's gonna happen right now. You might not be surprised, but I'm just excited as myself. When that made no sense. I am really excited to have this item, and it's been my dream item to have in this game forever. So you'll get to see in 3, 2, wait. Okay, this is so bad. I can't, what? You get to see in 3, 2, 1. I got a new headdress! Yes! Woo! I finally got a headdress, guys. It's been my dream item forever. Literally forever in this game. Like, I've wanted a headdress for so long. Like, look. Go here. And, alright, if it loads. Come on! Rare headdress! Hey! Let's get it! Yeah! Alright, but I will tell you the explanation of how I got this head. I got it from a secret Valentine. on Valentine's Day. Don't know who the heck it is, because it's a secret Valentine, which also in the update you can send secret Valentines now. Only on February, and because it's Valentine's Day itself. So, yeah, but, it was on Valentine's Day, I logged into Animal Jam to come up with a jamagram, and it was a secret Valentine, and there was a gift, right? I opened the gift, there was a headdress sitting in the gift. I literally had to take off my glasses and go like this. Huh? Am I looking at this right? Like, I was like, no freaking way did I just get this thing from someone. I wanted to thank them so bad, but I don't know who sent it. Don't know if it's a friend or just some random person. I don't know, because it's a secret Valentine, so I don't know who sent it or anything. But I have finally have one of the rarest items in the game, and I have a headdress now. It's just, oh my god, it blows my mind. Now we are going to check out the new land that supposedly Animal Jam has put out in this new update. So you go to world map, right here, Balush. So, like, that was all just river and mountains. Now they added that. So you go to Balush. Let's go check this baby out. What the frick? Hide. I'm sorry, something just popped up. Oh my god. Alright. I don't know if you guys saw that. There you go, now you can see some of it. Windows 10 update, yeah. You had to pop up in front of the recording. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw it. If you did, sorry. But, whatever. Now that I'm back, alright, so here's the new land. It won't even let me move. I cannot even move. That's how bad, that's how laggy this thing is. So, here's the missing rock or gem thingy, whatever the heck that is, that they were talking about, and made this new land. Okay, can I, like, move? I can't. Oh my god. This is how laggy this game is, or this land right now. I literally cannot make my animal walk. Okay, I don't I don't know if I'm gonna have to do a separate recording for this, but I don't want to. Alright, I'm just gonna switch to Eagle so it'll be much faster. Alright, so there's like a little temple over here, which is pretty cool. There's like a diamond, a glowing diamond in there. That's cool. See, I think this is where, like, all, what I was, oh, what is that? Salamander, hey, salamander. Okay, so, and it's frozen. Man, this is what happens when a new world comes to Jamaa. It's gonna get laggy. Come on! Work! Please! So what I was talking about was like the river, the really long river on the map. I think this is what this is, all the rocks in the river and stuff. Okay, I literally cannot move my animal! That's how bad this world is, or how famous right now it is. I cannot move my animal. That's how laggy it is. And then you come up here. Oh my lord. Come on. There's the new shop, which I did buy some stuff already. This is ticking me off. Seriously, this really is kind of pissing me off. Alright, so that's like the end of over there. Oh my lord. Excuse me. Oh, big turtle. Big turtle. Give me that big turtle. Come here. No, don't go away. Don't go away. Don't go away. Don't go away. I'm clicking on it. Jesus. Snapping turtle. I got like 3 animals thingies or whatever. Wow. And they have like this, like, kind of looks like a tombstone area, kind of. They have this area. Yeah. I have to admit, this world is pretty lit, my dude. It's pretty fire. It's pretty fire. Ugh. Alright, can this thing please walk? Oh, another one. Look at that. I'm getting a duck. Look at this. I'm getting a bunch of animals. Just like that. Like, left and right. Just like that. Alrighty, guys. I think, that's all for today. That's all I had to do with the Animal Gym update and stuff like that. I think that's all I have actually for this video. But please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah. I hope you liked everything that was we had planned out for today. So guys, I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.